Hey guys, what is up? Today, I am doing a really cool video. I am doing the blindfolded drawing challenge, so I am using paint on my computer, so you guys see that. And don't forget, we do got a face cam, but I'm also going to move it to down on the bottom. So, I'm going to pause the video here, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so let's get started. I just wanted to grab a mouse, so in case you want to know why I paused the video, because drawing in this is going to be hard. So, I need to open up Instagram, which I have to grab my iPad, so I will be back again. Hey guys, alright, so the first animal that I am going to be drawing is a kitty. So here we go. I have to draw a cat. Let me just grab my paintbrush, and I'm going to do it black, and here we go. Alright, I'm going to have a minute to draw this, so... Okay. And then, I think he has a heart. Whiskers. And a smile. And don't forget the eyes. And... what else do kitties have? I don't know. Okay. I think I did that. I beat the clock. So... oh my god! I forgot. I put the whiskers on, but it did not come out as a cat. I'm only doing the head, but it did not come out as a cat. Alright guys, so my next one is going to be... ah, dang nabbit. I'm going to be drawing... oh shoot, that did not cover. And then, hold on. Okay. The next animal I am going to be drawing is a unicorn. So, let's hope I can do the unicorn. Alright. I'm going to do a pink unicorn. Alright, here we go. Unicorns are the ones that have the horns, right? Or is that a Pegasus? Pegasus has a horn and... yeah. Alright. I'm done with the unicorn. Ooh, the unicorn looks better. Like, at least I have, like, I meant to put the mouth here. And then eyeball here. And I just meant to put that there. With the unicorn, it looks so much better. Next is a doggy. I am gonna do the doggy as... dang it. Alright, I'm gonna do the doggy, and I'm actually gonna do a circle. No, I'm kidding. Totally kidding. I'm gonna do a pencil. So let's do this. I'm gonna do a green doggy. And then the nose. Okay, and then the collar. I'm gonna add a neck, and then put a collar. So color the collar in, and then the neck. Okay. Alright, let's see. Oh, what the frick? I didn't even draw anything. Oh, you can barely see it. I'm totally gonna reset that, guys. Hold on. I'm gonna restart. And I'm not gonna use the color pencils, I'm just gonna use the paint. But here we go. Alright, and then the nose. And I'm gonna put a leash out right there. Put the eyes. And then the smile. And I think that's good. Let's see. Dang it, I keep closing out things. That did not come out as a dog. That's just scribbles. Alright, and a snake. Okay, the snake is the last drawing I am doing. And I'm actually going to put the snake on a green background. So I'm going to get the paintbrush. And I'm going to draw you guys a snake and the face cam. I hope I had a face cam the whole time, guys. Oops, I just moved it. So here we go. Do I have the colors I want? I want black. And okay, here we go. Alright, and then I'm gonna just look to grab red. So I covered it, I promise you guys. Alright, and then, alright, so I'm gonna grab an eye, give him some sparkle things, and let's see my snake. That totally looks like a snake. Totally. So, if I would have drawn it, I would have gone like this. And then like that or something. I can totally do a better snake than that, but even better than the one I just did. But I'm going to end the episode here. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. If you want me to do more videos like this, then just comment some other pictures you want me to draw, and I'll see you guys then. Anyways, don't forget to like this video. Bye. Peace out. And we'll see you later on the next adventure of Chase and Kate's Adventures. Cut. I mean, Gamer Chase. Anyways, I'm going to end the episode. Thanks for watching. Bye. Peace. Bye.